Hello and welcome to our custom pay type video series. In this series, I'm going to show you how to use the custom pay types to set up a taxable allowance to keep track of kit hours while your employee is on parental leave. The reason why we do this is so that you can keep a close eye on those kit hours that are capped at 64 max during the 26 weeks of government paid parental leave. Right, so here I have my employee's timesheet, and you will see that there is no standard pay row pre-populated because remember, in preparation for parental leave, we deleted the employee's work pattern. Okay, so let's go to the pay types. And in the normal pay types or the taxed pay types, I'm going to create the kit hour taxed pay type. So name is going to be kit hours. Rate is your standard rate that you pay this employee usually, and it's per hour. Now update and save. All good. And now I need to return. Right, so now that I'm back in the employee's timesheet, I have to select my pay type from the pay type menu, kit hours, and now I enter only the number of hours that the employee actually came in to work for me on this day. You will see that these kit hours, because it is a taxable pay type, it has this little tick box that jumps up that says exclude from all calculations regarding annual leave. Now, usually as this is income, you would not tick this box. You want it to be included in your calculations for annual leave. However, with kit hours, if your employee does not return to work after their parental leave, their termination date actually becomes their first date of parental leave, and these kit hours will be outside of that. So in order to simplify your calculations, it is advisable to actually tick this box at this stage so that whenever the kit hours are being paid in this time, they do not touch your employee's annual leave calculations. When they return from parental leave and they take annual leave, then you can add this amount that was paid in kit hours back into their gross for calculating annual leave. So just for this, to make your calculations easier, tick that tick box. Update and save. Right, and you will see here that KiwiSaver, EUCT, student loan, anything that they had will be calculated and included in this. And if you want to see what the pay rate is, remember you can left click in this button and you will see that this pays at $28 as you've seen. And if you forgot to click the exclude tick box, you can click it here at the back. All right, let's generate a pay slip for this employee and just take a look at their pay slip. There we are. So a rower you will see here is her kit hours, the amount of hours that she spent, and the pay rate. And I highly recommend that you take to show pay rates in the employee's pay slip, which is done in the employee profile. If you go into the standard pay, right at the bottom of the standard pay here, payslip format, you can choose to show pay types. And that's that. Right. Thank you. See you in the next video.